Hi, I'm Robin Frank. Are you ready to come and join us in Paparazzi and play with us and have fun and make lots of money? Well, let me tell you about your choices in starter kits. There's the preview pack, which is $99. You get 35 pieces of jewelry, but you know what? When you sell all 35 of those pieces of jewelry, you make $175 back. You get neck busts, you get thank you cards, some bags, you get all the things that you need just to get ready to start. Now this pack is for those of you that are like, yeah, don't have very much money, but maybe just question it, not sure. You can always go in the back office after you sign up and order more jewelry so you have plenty of inventory. Or the next kit up is the small party pack. That's $299. You get 120 pieces of jewelry. Now this to me is for that person that's trying it out but not really sure yet, but excited about it. I'm telling you, you gotta have jewelry if you wanna be successful. When you sell all 120 pieces, you make $600 back. Plus all of the neck busts and the hooks and the bags and thank you cards and everything else that's displayed with that. Then the best one, if you're in this serious and you want to make money and you want to change people's lives and you just want to be happy and have the sisterhood of paparazzi, any of these kits will do that. But when you're ready to go and excited and be successful, the $499 kit, that's the large party kit, you get 200 pieces of jewelry. That's $1,000. Once you sell those, that's $1,000 back. So you double your money that you've invested. Plus, you get all those other things, more jewelry busts, more display items, but you get a convention ticket. Now that's like a $275 value of our convention. That's what our ticket was last year. That is where you go. You get to rub shoulders. You're trained by the founders. It will change your business. Convention is like so amazing, and we get a hug when we get there. I'm so excited that you're thrilled about Paparazzi. Now go check out the different kits, decide which one's for you, and come and join us. Paparazzi is the best. It will change your life.